Cleaning a grill often feels like a tedious, labor-intensive chore, but the electric high-torque power grill brush aims to change that narrative entirely. Before diving into the details, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more game-changing kitchen and outdoor gadgets. This device eliminates the need for manual scrubbing by utilizing a robust motor that delivers up to 20 kilograms of torque. With 3 adjustable speed modes, it offers consistent mechanical power tailored to any level of grime. Furthermore, the brush features an intelligent torque-sensing chip. This smart component automatically pauses the motor if excessive pressure is detected. Consequently, the brush prevents overheating while protecting its internal mechanics, allowing the high-speed rotation to handle the heavy lifting without requiring intense physical effort from the user. Beyond mere power, this tool incorporates innovative features for superior sanitation, especially when the grill is still warm. The brush is constructed from premium, heat-resistant PA66+30 GF material, meaning it withstands temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius without warping or degrading. Users can achieve an even deeper clean by simply dipping the brush head in water for a few seconds. As the damp bristles make contact with warm grates, they generate a powerful steam effect that effortlessly lifts charred residue. Moreover, a built-in 360-degree rotating guard provides essential protection, shielding the operator from flying debris and grease splashes during operation. Accessibility and safety are clearly at the forefront of this design. The brush head offers a 7-level adjustable pivoting feature, moving 90 degrees left or right to reach difficult corners and effectively clean between bars from the perfect angle. Internally, the device is engineered for long-term reliability through its smart IC protection system. This includes industrial-grade stalling protection and over-discharge safeguards, which preserve the longevity of the 2,600 mAh battery. By automatically stopping the motor during extreme resistance, the system shields the core components and ensures the brush remains a dependable tool for many seasons of outdoor cooking. Ultimately, this electric grill brush balances professional-grade performance with user-friendly convenience. It simplifies maintenance by streamlining the cleaning process, while the Type-C fast-charging capability ensures the device is always ready for the next barbecue session. Maintenance after the job is finished is equally straightforward, as the brush heads are dishwasher safe, keeping them sanitary for future use. For those who prioritize efficiency and a pristine cooking surface, this powerful, high-torque cleaner stands out as an essential upgrade for any grilling enthusiast. If this video helped you discover your next must-have tool, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more reviews.